Papa had to get the wait until it kick in. Roller coaster on that block, how we spin in. It's hard to fuck with niggas when you feel like you don't fit in. Baby, I been living, been sipping on this Henny. Drowning in my thoughts, I ain't trying to ride your fucking.
You see my life way back when I was little. That flash in front of my eyes in these streets. I was trying to be their eyes.
These goof ass niggas, man.
I was battling with the drugs, stuck the feet. Trying to put a cut out, but it's down when I need.
I still got the camera at Zoom. I might switch.
When I need it.
It's in the cooler. Damn! They been zoomed in. Who? Tim, but that ain't how you get in the water, man.
You got extra shorts and shit.
Ashley, July 4th weekend deals are here. Now through Monday, shop incredible.
Just get a towel and sit on it when you get ready to leave.
$3.99. Plus, you can save up to $1,000 store-wide and get 0% interest until 20.
Tim, why? It's hot out here.
It's not cold. Trust me, it's not cold. Scared. I got my whole body in it.
They trying to tell me it ain't cold. I'm standing in it.
It's cold. Lord, why you think I'm all back up here? I gotta get right first.
Let's go. Get in there, man. Let's go. Let's go.
And I tell y'all, they hotter than a motherfucking giraffe pussy out here. He said, come on. This nigga out here fishing and everything. Yes, with the fishing pole.
Yes, we trying to catch one.
I want to go boy out there with that fishing pole.
I'm teaching niggas shit, I can make it out. I ain't need no tutor, been advanced for the road. Broke up 2 or 3 tools on my shows. 40 on my teeth for 200 from the
Doing with this. Thing in the front of her, you twist it. What ball that went?
They went up there somewhere.
That's what I'm trying to see.
They walked up there. Problem.
Let's go. 10 M's up now. Let's go. Here, Dre. I believe in me. That's the only thing that just I take away my pain. But it still gon' try to hard to put a smile on top my man. But it still can't cook.
Oh, man, I wanna make your feet look like you got some pretty feet. Boy, look at these feet.
Why they out there in the herd?
She said she ain't with all this.
You left. You have new solutions.
They're gonna fry out right on.
Big difference. Well, you do have that big financial friend, wherever your journey takes you. Experience.
What wrong with your face? It just make it look mean.
You got your phone? They been sitting there cold. You trying to call me phone?
This shit cold than a motherfucker. I can't get past my legs in this bitch.
It's so cold.
Shit. They talk, so you just gotta get in it. I'm gonna put his legs in the fucking headlock. Damn! I don't think she like that shit, man. Kill on the fucking grill. Grill that shit up. Do a fucking front flip, AT. Do a damn front flip. Look at Lil Ryder, man. Ma. She love damn water. Robin literally love water. She don't be like coming back out the water. She'll come out the water, sit for about 2 minutes and get right back in the shit. Man, I can't keep going out there with her. I done hit my goddamn big toe about 4 times trying to walk with her ass, boy. They got algae on the motherfucker. I'm gonna call you.
She was lame, fuck with me, she got piped. I know real rats in disguise. Cause niggas like you do it. Pussy fat way to go, I dick touch the heart.
Yeah, that damn hot dog like that. What the hell wrong with her? I'm definitely gonna get copyright after this shit. Hey, what's up, man? Charmin Ultra Strong looking at that nigga, man. I should zoom in all the way up in your goddamn nose. That wouldn't be a good idea for yo. You know what I'm saying? That shit cold as hell like that, T. Shit!
I told her once she got it now, she was not trying to get it.
Get some footage back there.
I told you that.
Get some footage back there, everybody.
You gonna do it?
This is how we do it.
No! Y'all niggas are trash. Y'all don't have. No.
I didn't count my waterproof. Can we talk for a minute? No, ain't no night. Can we talk? And they for a minute to know your name. Come on, get some footage right there.
Huh?
Get some footage right there.
It's on me.
I know. I'm saying, get y'all up there.
Oh. gonna have to turn this shit around. I can't do this. Turn it around the other way. Oh, okay. Oh shit, it's on me now. Hi. 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 Hey. Woo, woo. That was a party at. Hi.
Hey, I'll go out there with an injury and catch no goal.
Don't let her. She'll fall to that grill. I know you ain't digging at that booty. Hit it, booby. 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 Hit it. That water glistening too. Here, Robin, you want some now?
What's her name?
Robin. Robin Hood.
Now that is a bundle.
Oh, she back here.
I just don't
You told her how she was like, what? You hurt your knee? No. What happened? I hurt your knee. What happened? Right? Yeah. Your hair keep getting in your eye. Your sister behind you. You gotta get my kale up here for that.
My kale.
Hey, your auntie get them. Your auntie get them. I mean, your cousin get them. Yeah, cousin. Crowd. Yeah, get her. Catch her. Oh, she gone. It's over. Who is on?
Play. Glock.